Srimati Mrudula Sinha ji, Governor Goa. A very good morning to all dignitaries present here today. On behalf of Itihas Sankalan Samiti, Telangana, I, Surabhi Vani Devi, extend my greetings to one and all of the taking this time. Greetings to each one of you for taking time out from your busy schedule to grace this inaugural national seminar on women's discourses in Indian history writings. Akhila Bharatiya Itihas Sankalan Yojana, New Delhi, a national-wide voluntary organization, is hereby heading successfully in the direction of rewriting and compiling the Indian history in its correct perspective based on documentary evidences. The present event of Women's Historians National Seminar is an academic activity organized to bring all women historians on one platform to highlight the untold hidden talent of women in historical perspective from the Vedic period to present. We are extremely honored to have among us today the Honorable Governor of Goa, Srimati Mrudula Sinha ji, as a chief guest for this event, ma'am. It is a pleasure to have you with us today, ma'am. I am sure that your presence and thoughts will generate benefit to the forum and we will be able to draw meaningful insights from it. I cordially welcome the guests of honor. Vandaniya Santakka ji, Akhila Bharatiya Sanchalika Rashtra Sevika Samiti, Nagpur. Mananiya Geeta Gunde ji, National Convener Mahila Samanvaya Samiti. Dr. Abinda Dhumaktar ji, Head of Department, Sathe College, Mumbai. And Professor Satish Chandra Mittal ji, National President, Akhila Bharatiya Itihas Sankalan Yojana, New Delhi. And participating speakers, delegates and media friends, once again I welcome you all to 2 days seminar in Hyderabad. Hope you will enjoy this 2 days seminar and Hyderabad also. Thank you very much once again. Jai Hind.